In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a suspicious buyer or seller to protect yourself and your business. If you ever come across someone who seems dishonest, pushy, or possibly involved in scam activity, it's important to act quickly and carefully. The goal here is not to argue with them or investigate on your own. Instead, you want to use the platform's reporting tools so the issue can be reviewed properly and so you can reduce any risk to yourself. Start by opening the chat with that person, or if the concern is tied to a product listing, open the suspicious listing itself. This first step is important because the reporting option is usually connected directly to the conversation or the item page. Make sure you're on the correct profile, message thread, or listing before you continue so the report is attached to the right account or item. Once you're there, look at the top right of the screen and tap the three dots. This is usually where extra actions and account-related options are stored. Depending on the platform, the wording may vary slightly, but this menu is where you'll normally find the reporting feature. From that menu, select Report. On some platforms, it may say Report Item or Report Seller instead. Choose whichever option matches what you're looking at. If the problem is with the person, report the user. If the issue is the listing itself, report the item. The main thing is to choose the most relevant reporting path so the platform receives the clearest possible information. Next, you'll be asked to specify the reason for the report. Choose scam or fraud from the list of options. This helps categorize the issue correctly and may allow the platform to prioritize it. If you're prompted to add extra details, provide a short and clear explanation of what happened. Stick to the facts and avoid emotional language. Clear details make it easier for the review team to understand the situation. After the report is submitted, stop all communication with that person. Block the user right away so they can't message you again. This is an important step because scammers often try to create urgency, apply pressure, or continue manipulating the conversation after they realize they've been reported. Do not respond further, even if they threaten you, pressure you, or try to convince you to continue the conversation. Reporting and blocking are the safest actions. By acting quickly and using the platform's tools properly, you help protect yourself, your business, and other users as well.